If anyone is ready to share the screen, means I'll be guiding you guys for the installation part of the Power BI. Anyone of you, please, who is going to share the screen? Amulya, Raj.
Sorry, I joined from my mobile.
Okay, in the last session, I have also informed that you guys have to join with the laptops, right?
Yes, yes. I tried to join in
Again,
laptop, but I faced some issue.
okay, okay, fine. I'll be sharing my screen. One second. Already screen is sharing. I will open the Power BI. One second. Please, guys, from tomorrow, please try to join with the laptops or systems. Okay, we'll install. Okay. Now I'll be continuing with classes as of now. See, normally again I'm showing this. One second. One second, just give me a minute. Okay, see, again I'm showing this. See, go here, get data. Somewhat lag, guys. One second. One second, guys. See, this is a get data. From here itself, Power BI is having n number of sources. Get data. See, this is a get data option. Here, if you see, if I go here, if I go for the more part, see, this many sources. Power BI is having this many sources to get the data. Most probably, majority of the sources we were not aware of it, but no need of it. Just what kind of here we'll be going with CSV files, and also fetching the data from the PostgreSQL itself. CSV file, CSV files, and PostgreSQL itself. Okay, CSV or Excel also. Okay, here you can see text or CSV. If I go for the file, you can see here we will do with this. We'll do with this text or CSV or Excel workbook. With this too we will do. We'll do with this. With this too we'll do. After this, here with the files part we'll do with this. In the database part, PostgreSQL database. this part. We'll fetch the data from this, either from the database part, PostgreSQL part, in the file part, text or CSV. Text or CSV. One second, I'm recording session or not. Okay, session is recording. Okay. Again, I'm telling, say, in the files part, text or CSV or Excel files. In the databases part, PostgreSQL databases. We'll deal with this normally here. Okay, just fetching data, everything operations inside of it, techniques, operations will be same. Just data, the data which we deals is this kind of data, this and PostgreSQL. That's it. Okay, cool. See, now I'll go here, file text or CSV. This takes me to the text or CSV. This takes me to the local storage of my system. See, local storage. It have taken me to the local storage of my system. Here I'm going with this file. Just select it out. Just select it out. If I select this, see, if I select this, you can see the file name over here and open. See, load and transform data, two things will be there, and directly should not go to the transform data. First of all, we have to load it. After loading, we have to transform it. Directly, we should not go with this. Directly, we should not go with this transform data initially. Okay, this transform data part, you will understand it of later. You will understand this later while we are dealing with ETL. Okay, extract, transform, load. Okay, as of now, just we have to load the data. That's it. As of now, we have to just load the data. Load the data. Load. See, the file is loading, getting loaded. You can see the columns over here, right side. You can see the arrow over here. If I click on it arrow, if arrow shows right side like this, it is completely closed. If I click on this, if it is downward, you can see all the columns over here. After this, and you can see the tabular view of this. The tabular view of the file you can see here. The tabular view of the file you can see over here. See. Okay. Now I'll go here. Here, just take this. I'll go with the. I should have seen this. 100% stacked bar chart. If I take this, if I want to make this, see, I can make it small, I can make it big. See. Just you have to hold it out here. See. Now, just here in the x-axis part, I'm dragging this destination state in the y-axis, in the x-axis revenue. See. It is 100%, but you can see the revenue difference over here. Revenue difference over here you can see while I'm moving my cursor onto top of it. 100% stacked bar chart. 100% stacked bar chart. I'm going back of this. I'm mentioning this. Rename 100% stacked chart. 100% stacked bar chart. Again I'm using this. Again I'm going here. See, just only if you see here, the difference you can see. Ascending, descending, this is small, this is big. Here we cannot see. Here in this stacked 100% stacked bar chart, 100% stacked bar chart. One second, guys. In the 100%, who's this? One second. Mute. Okay, cool. In this 100% stacked bar chart, what you can see, just you can see, I'm writing here, see. Just if I place my cursor on it, you can see the revenue, sum of revenue of this. You cannot see the different bars. If I use this, if I use with this, suppose, if I use this with, one second. The same chart I'll show with this. See, destination state and revenue. One second. See, the same chart. The same chart. But here we can see the visual in this stacked bar chart. We can see the visual in the form of like ascending to descending. Which one is higher? Which one is lowest? We can see here. Highest, which highest and lowest we can observe here. Highest and lowest we can observe in this particular chart. But here in this, just bars. See, in bars. Just if I place my cursor on the top of it, then only you can see the revenue of it. That's it. Okay. Again, I'll go with this same 100% stacked column chart. One second. The same chart here, bar wise. Bar means horizontal. See, bar means horizontal. Column means vertical. Bar means horizontal. Column means vertical. Bar means horizontal wise. Column means vertical wise. Like this, it will be like this. Bar means like this, the chart will be like this. Column means the chart will be like this. Okay, this is the difference of this bar and column. Okay, I'll go here. See, this is column, stacked column chart. One second. Stacked column chart. Suppose if you see here, if I go with the glided stacked column chart. See, if I take this, now I'll just only go with the origin state. I'll go x-axis, shipping cost, y-axis. Here I cannot see the line, but I can show the line over here also. If I want line like this in this chart, if I want line like this, if I want line like this, this is a line, stacked line column chart. Stacked column chart, normally now it looks like stacked column chart. If I add line, I can add line also. I can add line also. I can add line also over here. I'll show you. See, revenue, I'll take revenue. See, line y-axis. See, line y-axis. Line y-axis. Line y-axis. Here, if I add, you can see the line over here. Revenue I have added. It was aggregated. Revenue I have added. Sum of revenue, aggregation operation have performed, and it have given the line. Okay, for this. Okay, stacked line and stacked column chart. This is a line and stacked column chart. Okay, the same thing. Column chart. This is in column chart. If I go with this line and clustered, line and clustered. One second, guys. One second. Just give me a minute, guys. 1 minute, guys. Okay, fine, guys. See. Sorry, sorry. Line and stacked column chart. See, now if I go for the line and clustered column chart, the difference is, one second, line and clustered column chart. Line and clustered column chart. See here, if you see this line and clustered column chart, the difference is like, click this chart. See, this is a chart. This is a chart. If you click this, after this, just drag it out. See, just drag it out. See, in x-axis, destination state, y-axis, revenue. See, the same thing I've gone with, same thing. The same chart, it looks like same chart. Y-axis, I can use in y-axis, line axis, shipping cost. There is no difference of this shipping cost and origin state here, right? Origin, if I go with origin state only, here also I'll go with origin state only. One second. See, here what I'll do, the same thing I'll take. One second. See now, guys. For this and this, there is no difference. Then clustered. Here line and stacked here, and line and clustered column chart. What is meant by clustered? See, here line and stacked column chart, line and stacked column chart, line and clustered column chart. This is it. It looks, see, if you see here, both of the charts look same. Then what's the difference? I'm going with same column, same everything. There is no difference. What's the difference? See, in the clustered, I can use the legend. See, in the column legend, I can drag triptych. See, this is a clustered. In the clustered column chart, we are adding the line part. In the clustered column chart, we are adding the line. This is the difference. Trip type. See, for this column, this is domestic, this is intercom, this is international, and this is revenue. These were the differences. These were the differences. Okay, that is the reason. There is no difference till here. If you see till here, there is no difference. But if I remove this, see this chart, a line and stacked column and line and clustered column is no difference. There is no difference. Just if I drag over here, if I drag here, see, just if I drag this, just if I drag trip type onto this, trip type onto this is the difference. Combination trip type is, that bar is divided into the three bars in the clustered part. Okay, okay, fine. I'll go with another chart. A line chart. Here it went to the delivery date line every time. One second, I'll explain this. Line chart mainly with respect to D. line chart, line chart, line chart mainly for the time interval. Time interval, if wherever the time interval is there, time and something revenue time. Here if you see month is time, month, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September is time interval. Time interval over here. This revenue part, see, this is the revenue part. If I place my cursor, you can see the revenue part for this month, revenue part for this month, revenue part for this month. But why it is only with months? Why not with years? It is only why with months. See, whenever you see, if I go back, date column is looks like hierarchy. See, this is a date column. Everywhere, every date column is looks like hierarchy. Date hierarchy means year, quarter, month, day. In that we can take, so here why I have taken month, why not this year? Month means this 12 months were there here. Okay, then if I go for this, if I remove this, if I drag this, if I drag this into this, see, year and month is all coming. If I, once again, if I remove this, if I remove this, just if I'm dragging this, now see revenue, if I'm dragging here, see only one dot. To get rid of this, why only one dot means here in the year part, in the delivery date, see only 2016 we can see. Only 2016 year is there in this date column. See, observe this. That's the reason only one 2016 date it is able to show us. See, only that is the reason. Only one 2016 is there. Year only one 2016 is there here. That's the reason. That's the reason. That's the reason. Only one thing it is showing. If I go, if I want to remove, see, I can remove this. Here I can do go with this. See, here remove कर दिया देखो. Now it shows only quarter. See, three quarters you can see. Three quarters you can see here. In this line, are three quarters. Here only the quarter it is using the quarter. This one it is using. One after one. If I remove this also, it uses this month. Okay, only month. It looks. You can showcase like quarter wise or month wise or day wise. In which way you want. It depends upon the hierarchy you can showcase. Okay. And also wherever line chart is involved, time line chart is every time with respect to the time, year, month, quarter, day, time to involved in the line chart, time involves in the line chart, time involves, time involves in the line chart. Time involves in the line chart. Okay. Okay. Now I'll go with this area chart. L4. Drop this strip type. Shipping cost. Shipping cost. See, it looks like area chart. If I remove this, will be now you can see below this. Previously, in the bar wise, you can see in the bar chart like bar, bar, here one bar, here one bar, here one bar, here one bar. But here in the area chart, the below the line will be like this, and you can see the below area was filled like this. It is like this in the area chart. If I place cursor onto here, see here, see here, see my cursor, 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 see my cursor. Okay, and also you can add in this, and also you can add trip type in this also. See, legend. See, trip type also you can add in this area chart. Okay. After this, area chart, stacked area chart. Stacked area chart. See, destination state, same thing I'm going with. Destination state, revenue. If I go with this, there is no difference of this. If I use strip type, the difference you can see. Previously, the difference you can see. Line below it previously. Here, it is taken separately. It was filled till here to here. See the difference. Stacked, stacked. Area chart, and stacked area chart. You can easily understand. Okay. Okay. After this, I'll go with the ribbon chart. See, there's also no difference, but it looks like one second. The same thing. See, somewhat decorated. That's it. The line somewhat like it was like ribbon kind of thing. Ribbon, like somewhat like see, line is like this. Ribbon is like ups and down, like uneven. Ups and downs and uneven. This is a ribbon chart. Okay. The story in which way we are presenting, in which way, how it is presenting. Okay. See now. Now I'll be taking this field map. Before this map, I'll go with map. Only map chart. Here, here in this map chart, if I drag this location, origin state, say I've dragged origin state and legend also origin state. Origin state, legend or else like one second. What I'll do location. One second, it's 1 minute. Okay, cool. Like it first it takes. I'm dragging bubble inside of this revenue. See now, destination state revenue. Bubble size have gone for the revenue part. It increases. Bubble size revenue part have gone. And if I show this, if I scroll above, here in the destination state, if you see location destination state, if I remove this, if I remove this, see, normal only destination states it is showing. Location part. Legend what I want, I'm taking, see, only destination state it can show you. See my credit, see my credit, see my credit. If I drag revenue onto this, revenue with destination state you can see. Revenue with destination state. Revenue with destination state you can see. And also if I drag bubble size, in the bubble size, it increases, it depends upon the revenue. Which is having more revenue, it increases. You can easily identify this is having more revenue. 4081. 60, you can see bubble size you can see. 1 second. 666, this is power 100. This is 1554. One second. In this also it n number of factors were there in this also. 1 second. WI. 1 second. Yes, consent. What I'll do, 1 second. Now you can see. Origin state in location, legend in location. Bubble sizes revenue have gone for. Or else like in legend part I can take the strip type. It makes sense now. Pie charts. Pie chart in the map. See now. Origin state in location, legend trip type in the legend part, and bubbles have gone with the revenue part. Okay. In this way, we can see in map. In the map we can see. Okay. This is a map. This is only the map. This is a fill map. Now I'll go for the fill map. See the difference you can understand. If I drag destination state here, again in the legend part also same I have to drag. See. In the tool tips, have to drag revenue. Then you can see revenue over here. See now revenue, you cannot see the revenue. See, if I place my cursor onto top of it, you cannot see revenue. So you cannot see revenue. See here in the legend destination state and location also destination state. See, location destination state, legend destination state. See, see. If I want to see revenue on this, if I place top of it like this, I can see. See, okay. This is about the maps and charts, but this is about the field map. Guys, you have not gone with installation. That's why I'm stopping till here. After completion of the installation in tomorrow's class, we'll move on. Please. Okay. We have gone with this many charts. I'll save this. I'll save this. 3. Clear with this? Clear with this? Any queries?
Hello.
Tell me, Amulya.
Like, what is the difference between area chart and lined column chart? This both will give same results, right?
Same thing, but like the how you interpret, the story, how you present, how you interpret.
Oh, okay. Can we get
There's
this
no
data so
difference.
that we can practice?
I'll share this definitely. I'll share this. Uh, Also, guys, today is the last day for enrollments. People who want to by tomorrow itself will be changing the link from the management side. Please try to enroll it out who have not enrolled. And also, you guys, for the enrolled people, from tomorrow onwards link will be changed, and this live class link, and also you'll be getting a drive link also. This live class work, these files all end to end will be uploaded over there. Okay. Okay, Amulya. Got it, Amulya? Anything else?
Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Any queries? Let me know, guys. If no queries, we'll wind up this. I have to give the access. I have to give the access. Tomorrow, please ask me access. I'll give you access, and you can share the screen, and I'll guide you for the installation part of the Power BI itself. Okay. Anything else? Okay, fine, guys. We'll wind the session for the day. We'll meet in tomorrow session, please. Okay. Please try to install it. Okay. Okay, fine.